Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering what is different, I'm filming at night. My hair is soaking wet, I have no makeup on, and I'm in my pajamas, and I'm in my room, and I have a fluffy pillow. So for today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different, but I think it's helpful, I think it's useful. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to look good with no makeup on. Let's say you get out of the shower, maybe, you're going to a sleepover, or you're trying to, impress your boyfriend, or you're trying to impress like your date that you've only been seeing for like a month or whatever, and you don't want to look basically like this, Listen, we all know that we love ourselves, and if we don't, we gotta work on that. But I'm gonna just show you guys and share quickly, a very quick video, a few products that I feel do help the appearance of like that haggard kind of getting out of the shower looking crazy. And also you can apply these to your actual everyday when you wake up in the morning, and that morning kind of, listen, we're all trying to, especially when we're just kind of dating somebody, we don't want them to see our flaws. I don't know why, because eventually that person's gonna see them anyway. So you might as well just be like, listen, I have dark under eye circles, this is what we're working with. And that's not the purpose of this video, is not to be like, let's change everything about you. If anything, it's about enhancing it and showing off your actual natural beauty. So let's get to it, because Lord knows I can just talk and talk, okay? So as you guys can already kind of figure out, I just took a shower, so that's why my hair is wet. So in the shower, I did my natural nighttime routine. If you guys want like a new updated version, I really do still do the same things, but I'll link that video down below, what exactly I'm using on my face. So usually when I get out of the shower, I'm using the same line that I've been using for a very long time. It's called Serious Skincare, and it looks like this, and I use their continuously clear line. So I get out of the shower and use Clears It and the continuously clear. I always religiously use those together. That is technically, you're medicating your face. So you always want to medicate your face first. You don't want to moisturize your face first. You always want to medicate your face, especially like me. I suffer with cystic acne, so we always want to medicate the face. So next, to make myself kind of look a little bit better, would be, I do this. Where is the mitt? Oh, it's over there. 1 second. Okay, so what I do is I take the Saint Tropez, I don't know how you pronounce that, Saint Tropez, and it's their self-tan purity, their face mist, natural glowing skin. And what I do, you could do this in the morning, you could do this at night, you could do this in the middle of the day, whenever you feel you want to do this. What I love to do is I love to just spray my face, just like that. Okay, and it smells amazing, it's clear, it doesn't leave any type of like orange residue like self-tanning systems do. I take my little mitt that it comes with, and I take that side and I just carve sort of the natural contours of my face, like as if you're gonna contour your face with makeup. Do a little bit down the neck, and I swear to you, it will give you the most gorgeous glow in like 3 hours. So from this point on, I wouldn't like touch your face. I wouldn't lay directly on a pillow or anything like that. I would let that dry, and I swear to you, you will have a natural glow, like a tan in 3 hours. I promise you, I guarantee you, I swear by this product. So Saint Tropez Natural Glowing Skin. It's their face mist. It's a self-tan purity. Basically, you spritz and you glow. It's a tanning water mist. Tropical scented. It's ultra lightweight. It's skin protecting. I'm obsessed with this product. And why I think it's so important is because whenever we're tan, we usually like feel better, we usually look better, right? And I love doing it almost like in a contour motion because I feel like it makes my face look a little bit more contoured and skinnier and just more like back to life and full of life instead of like a pale winter face. So I like doing that. So after we've medicated our face and you've used whatever you use to medicate your face, I usually spray my face, not every night, but let's say I'm going somewhere or someone's coming over, definitely you want to make sure that your face is nice and bronzed. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to use some type of like an under eye cream, something to brighten these. I've heard a lot of really amazing things about the Ole Henriksen, the banana brightening. I think it comes in an orange little pot, but I love from A Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It looks like this. And to be honest with you, if I don't want to use that, I'll use like their gel lotion one or Clinique, just something to quickly give hydration to myself. I'll put some on my neck, some on my face. I'm gonna work up the neck. Just put a little bit of moisturizing on. Nothing too crazy. And yes, you can still put moisturizer on after you've used that face mist. It's still, I swear, it still will give you a bronze glow. So we're just draining any puffiness to make our face and chin and neck come to life and look a little bit more like less puffy. Okay, and then use something for under your eyes. Definitely like a brightening cream or moisturizing cream. You definitely want to use something under your eyes to prevent aging and to make yourself look more lively. Now, this is something I do. You don't have to do this. I like to do eye drops. I suffer from really bad allergies, so I'll just put that in my eye so my eyes don't look like red and gross, and you know, it'll just make them look brighter. I usually do that at night, and I usually do that in the morning. Okay. Next is the product that basically is the star of the show, and I cannot live without. That would be olive oil. Yes, you heard it. I said it. Olive oil. I got this at Sally's. It's from Hollywood Beauty. Just straight up says olive oil. Basically helps to fight hair breakage, scalp treatment, adds shine. But basically it's really good. Yeah, those are basically the benefits, but that's not all that I use it for. So Now, be careful with this. Maybe use a Q-tip or something so you don't just get oil all over the place. Usually I'll just pour it or onto those little pads or like a Q-tip or something, but I'm so experienced with it, I just pour it right into my hand. So you're gonna take some of it, just like that. See it on my hand? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put a tiny little bit on my upper cheekbone right there. Tiny bit. And that's gonna act as like this natural glow at night. Okay. Like a natural highlight at night. Or if you're repeating this in the morning, it's gonna be this natural morning dewy glow. No, we're not trying to look sweaty. We're trying to look like, oh hi, I'm Adriana Lima. Now we're gonna take out your spoolie, which is that comb that goes through your eyebrow, or a toothbrush, whatever you can find, a Q-tip, your finger. I'm gonna use my finger. I take the olive oil and I brush it through my eyebrows. Yes, I typically like to do this at night, but you can repeat this in the morning as well before your makeup. I put it straight into my eyebrow. Now, you're probably like, why are you putting olive oil in your eyebrows? It's going to help with hair growth. It's going to stimulate the hair. It's going to grow. It's also going to add shine. So it's going to look like you put some type of a pomade or a wax, or, you know, you set your eyebrows in place, or your eyebrows were freshly just waxed. It's going to give the appearance of a darker brow, a more beautiful brow, which is going to create a more beautiful you. You're already beautiful, but we're trying to just look a little bit better, right? So put that in your eyebrow, and on camera you really can't see what it's doing, but it really is adding. It also adds with hair growth. The next step I'm going to do with this product is put it in my eyelashes. Yes, my eyelashes. If you have one of those, you know, those fake kind of mascara ones with no mascara on, and just comb your olive oil. Get to the root and go up with it. Or get a Q-tip, pour the olive oil on it, and make sure that you're getting to the lash and you're getting to that root, or press it up like this so that you're getting to the lash. And what this is going to do is repair those lashes. It's going to make them grow. It's going to make them grow, girl. It's going to make them grow. Okay. Ooh. Next, what I like to do is, I don't like the excess of the olive oil. Don't be afraid of it. If anything, embrace it. Put it the roots, not the roots, the bottom of your hair, especially if you're like me and you have a lot of breakage from dyeing. Mush it around in the hair. It's gonna give your hair this gorgeous shine. Learn from me, don't put it directly too much on the root, because then it's gonna look like you haven't washed your hair in like a week. But if you want to put it up there, put it like that very quickly through the scalp, and that'll help so that you don't have like a dry scalp. I mean, there's so many benefits to olive oil, I'm telling you. Now, I don't think that this is the same olive oil that you get from the grocery store. I think that this is a beauty olive oil. Is there a difference? Comment below, please. I love learning new things. And I don't claim to know everything, but it does say Hollywood Beauty, and it does say olive oil on it, so. And it sure does smell like olive oil. So I kind of just scrunch my hair with it, toss it around with the olive oil like that. Okay. you just kind of, or you can kind of, you know, blow dry your hair like normal, or put it up in a top knot or whatever, and your hair is just gonna be really beautiful and shiny. Last step, but definitely not least, would be, I love this product from Too Faced. It's Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumping. I'm telling you, if you want your lips to look juicy and plump, put on like 4 to 3 layers of this. It does sting a little bit, but it's not like super uncomfortable, like, you know what I'm talking about. You know those ones that like really sting and you're just like, ow. It's comfortable. Give it a few seconds and I promise it will make your lips look 100% plumper. So guys, this is really all that I do in order to make myself look a tiny little bit better. But did I change anything about myself? No. I still have under eye circles. I don't have any makeup on. I didn't even change anything about my hair. I just kind of scrunched it to make it look a little bit more wild, but yet tamed. But it just kind of makes you feel a little bit more confident, and it's also just really healthy ingredients that, you know, it's not gonna like cost you so much money to go and find. So I love the way that this looks. Let me come in close. Do you see this? It looks like you have false eyelashes on, your brows done, highlighter, and you got a nice little lip gloss on, right? So leave a comment below if you're gonna try this out, and let me know if it worked for you. Obviously it's not gonna work for everybody. Some people are still not gonna feel like themselves, and look, it's all about embracing who you are. And listen, if somebody straight up goes, you're ugly, well then they need to just walk right out that door, because you're beautiful the way that you are, and you don't have to change, and you don't have to settle for anybody, okay? Somebody should love you like that, you know what I mean? So I love you guys, and thank you so much for all your support, for always writing such beautiful comments and support. You guys mean so much to me. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, don't you forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. It just kind of alerts you as soon as I come out with a video. Yeah, this video is, this channel, we're just kind of like very laid back, very chill, and I just try to teach you guys, you know, tips and tricks, and yeah, and we're just you know, day-to-day people, and we're just I'm just relating to you guys what I know, and just giving you guys some tips, and that's it. I'm kind of just, this is what I tend to do. I ramble. I need to create like a script, because it just, like, I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. I don't. But anyway, if you guys liked it, please hit that notification bell and hit that like button, comment below, subscribe, you know the deal. And if you like this video, please let me know down below. I love knowing if you guys liked it or what you want to see on my channel. So I'm gonna end the video here, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye.